Yo, this is episode 2 of How to Do. I'm going to show you how to be a superhero. Here with Pancho Garcia and, don't pick your nose, Albert Garcia. Face the camera, man. The camera. This is the camera.
What?
You know what? Go away, you retard. Okay. Well, first you will need. Holy shit! What do we need?
A mask and a hat.
Get the mask, man.
A mask.
Oh wait. First, you'll need this pimpin' crown. Can I get the mask?
Huh?
Go get the mask. And then you need a mask. Put the mask on, man.
Okay.
Actually, there's more. I think as a villain. I don't know. But yeah. Still,
This is a hero.
a hero. Okay. What do we need now?
I need a suit.
Pick out a suit.
What suit?
I don't know. Just wear something girly.
What's my suit?
Wear anything in my closet, man. Okay, you can wear that. Okay, now okay, the shorts are okay. You need
You need a blanket to put on you. Ayana!
you need sandals. Yeah, you need sandals. you look funny.
What the fuck?
Mommy's coming. Mommy's coming. Hide.
Hi, Ariana.
Okay, now you need teddy bear for good luck. Put it in your pocket, man. I'm not. That's just a boy jacket. You look funny. Now put it in your pocket, man. Okay, now you need someone to save. Go save him! Is he dead or alive?
He's alive.
Let me see him. Go save him! Now that's how to be a superhero. Oh, you have to save a real person, not just that teddy bear. Is he alive or dead?
Alive.
Go get him! Where did he go?
He's a hero.
Oh my god, is he dead or alive? You know what?
Dead?
Screw that. Screw that. That's how to be a superhero. And watch out for villains.
Like green, scary.
Yeah.
Frankenstein. And
He's not. Oh my god, he's not a villain.
he has.
Okay, Albert, just say bye.
Huh?
Say bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera and say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. You look so cute.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say, stick your tongue out. Do this. Do it again. Do this, Albert. Do this. Do this. Stick your tongue out. Do it. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. This is how to be a superhero. With Albert Garcia. Do the tongue tank again. Albert Garcia, the awesome actor, and Pablo. No, not Pablo. I'm thinking my cousin, Poncho Garcia. Watch my videos. Bye. That was my mom. Okay. Bye. Peace out. Yo, how do you turn this thing off?